Hi, I just want to do a quick tour of my shop and show you around. I'll start off with this, my little workbench that I made for a lot of the power tools here. I've got my the disc sander, my orbital oscillating spindle sander. I've got my bandsaw, 3D printer, and drill press, and also my table saw and planer. All fit on that. I built it a lot like the CNC here, which it was pretty simple design, but I wanted to design it so I wouldn't have to get all the stuff, take it all out, put it all back, all that stuff, so I have a place for everything. That always makes everything a lot easier. I've got two workbenches that I bought from Home Depot. They were $100 a piece. They've been invaluable. I really like this. And then I put this pegboard up so it's so much easier to get to all my stuff. You know, I've got this stuff here that's for making fretboards. It's a little you can cut, and every time you move it, it cuts a different fret. It's awesome. Different things for sanding fretboard radiuses and you know, chisels and different things that I can all hang up there like most people have up on their boards. Very simple shop. I have just a little mechanics toolbox. I've got all the rest of my stuff in. And the CNC, the one reason I'm doing this video is I'm waiting on some materials to finish this thing, and then I'll be posting that and running and building guitars with it. So anyway, that's just a quick tour of my shop. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for your support. See you next time.